ever increasing competition on social media platforms, it is critical to stay on top of your game. As a brand, you must fine-tune every aspect of your social media material, from visual content to social media ad copy. You would not want your audience to just skim through the information you are providing. After all, curating high-quality content involves hours of planning and creative efforts. However, if your content is not accompanied by a clear message, encapsulated in a catchy caption, your message may not get passed on the right audience. Therefore, we believe now is the time to adjust your strategy. If you are a brand that publish content without a caption, in this video, I will be informing you about some best ways in which you can write a social media ad copy. But before moving ahead, I would like to subscribe Propel Guru's YouTube channel and like this video and hit the bell icon so that you can stay tuned for updates. So let's get started. Social media ad has one or more objectives. So what exactly is the point of your premium content? Is it more website traffic or a landing page on your website that you want? Or is it to increase engagement? Whatever your objective is, your social media ad copy can make a significant difference. The goal is to use your word to guide your audience to take a specific action. The first step while creating your social media ad copy is to frame your social media ad copy. Whether creating a Facebook ad copy or an Instagram ad caption, keep your target audience in mind. Tracking all crucial audience indicators with a social media analytics tool will be pretty beneficial. Next is utilize an interactive tone. Whether creating a copy for organic content or a paid promos and ads, you need to utilize a tone of connect with audience. You can write your social media ad copy in the first person. This will help you to connect with the target audience and integrate them into your community. Apart from this, don't forget to use CTA. You should include call to action in your social media ad copy. It's one thing, set a tone, frame, material around your target audience. Make the most of this space by writing captions that impress and motivate the viewers to take action. Moreover, it is important to leverage different ad copy. You should make most out of them because you spend money and energy on the social media ads. To put it another way, you should take advantage of all of the capabilities and tools that social media ads provide. Lastly, you must take advantage of your sales funnel. While producing copy for your ads, consider where a particular audience segment is in the sales funnel. When crafting the copy, if a specific target segment is near the top of the sales funnel, it's best to write the text that introduces them to your business while communicating your ad message effectively. Writing an excellent social media ad copy is a complex and challenging skill to master. However, using these 5 steps can persuade your target audience to take necessary action. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos from Propel Guru's channel.